Hey guys, so as you've seen on my Instagram, I got a new car. I'm very excited. I've actually been looking at getting one of these for a little while now, but it was very out of reach because I had the Mini and it just didn't have it in my budget. I put the Mini up on Facebook Marketplace because I wasn't sure where I wanted to go with the project, because I was finding a lot of issues that I wanted to sort out and do it the right way, but it's very expensive and time consuming, because there was a bit of rust on the floors. We were going to cut out the floors and put new floor pans and send it for sandblasting and all of that, which is really nice and it's a good way to do things. I just don't have the time or money right now. So I put it on Facebook Marketplace and I said, like, if there's a good deal, somebody says, something that's worthwhile, I'll go for it. If not, I'll just slowly keep building the Mini. And somebody offered me this car, and it's the 325, which is what I wanted, the 6-cylinder. So when I saw it, I hopped on that opportunity, because that's what I wanted, and he was happy to do a straight swap, and so I was down. So we got a new car. So the plan with the car is to just get it up and running and daily it for a little while I build a Subaru, just in case something happens on the track, or anything could happen. It's also an old Subaru, and yes, it's been reliable, but you just don't know when something's going to go wrong, so I needed to have a backup car. Obviously not going to be my backup car right now since it's not driving, but it's very close. I'm going to assess it and see exactly what I need to start with. I made a basic list of things that I want to attack, cosmetically, and maybe some mechanical things like, service and those sort of parts. But yeah, and then eventually in a couple of years' time, I want to build it into a drift car. That's why I wanted the 6-cylinder, because it's got the potential for power. It's also got like double the power of the Subaru at this point in time, which is crazy. So it's going to be, I think, a lot of fun when I do get it driving. Yeah, I'm very excited for this project. It's on the Mini, I was getting tired and not bored, but so overwhelmed by all the stuff that I wanted to do, where with a new project, you just have that new project like energy and you're just keen to get going. So it's nice to have that as well, that drive again.